When I was in university, the idea of financial freedom for me having like $1 million in bank account so that I don't have to work a single day and I can live off that money. Probably a lot of you still have that mindset, but this mindset is so unhealthy. We end up overwhelming ourselves and end up doing nothing at all. The real definition of financial freedom is where your passive income becomes more than your passive expenditure. Let me explain what that is. Your passive monthly income is the income that you'll make even if you don't go to a job a single day. You're traveling the entire month, you're probably sick the entire month, you don't even have to work a single day. This is your autopilot income. Your average monthly passive expenditure, on the other hand, is your expenditure of like rent, food, utilities, transport, entertainment that you will pay any month to live a comfortable life. I was living in Australia when I was 27 years old, and I realized that my average passive monthly expenditure is around $1,500 a month. That's it. Suddenly it becomes so much more achievable, right? No more $1 million mark, just $1,500 a month. And if you're living in India or Pakistan or any other country that is not like Australia, UK, US, Singapore, then that $1,500 is much less like $1,000 a month. So how did I achieve that? I did that by uploading an online course on the platform Udemy and on my blog called Australia Yours. It took me about a year, but after a year, I don't have to work a single day and I was still earning about $1,500 a month. You can do that by either making online courses, selling on Amazon, Flipkart, Daraz, or any other platform. You can also do that by uploading YouTube videos for a year and getting that passive revenue. You can also do that if you have some income and you're investing in cryptos and stocks if you understand the game. Remember, the idea is not to have the imaginary $100,000 in your account or $1 million in your account before you can feel that you have achieved financial freedom. It's just making that small $1,000 a month in passive income. So optimize for that first, and once that is secured, then shoot for the skies.